students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, explain the following natural phenomena. First is twinkling of stars and second is rainbow formation. So let's see twinkling of stars. So twinkling of stars is due to the atmospheric refraction of a starlight. The light will undergo continuous refraction. So let's try to understand with the simple diagram. See, let's suppose this is our atmospheric surface, correct? And this is our star, and this is our star, okay? And this is me observing the star. So this is my eye. This is me observing the star, and this is my eye. Now, what will happen? The light will come from the star and it will enter into my eye. Let's suppose this is the ray of light and it is entering into my eye. Now, let's see. As the stars are a very distant object, they are a point source. So we took it as a point source. So third point is the path of the light goes on varying slightly, and the apparent position of the star fluctuates because of the variation in air density. And if air density is varying, means refractive index will vary. So this is air filled in our atmosphere, correct? And air density will vary because air is like in our atmosphere there are so many air molecules and they are like always moving. So due to their motion, the density, like the atmosphere is filled with so many different gases, right? And not all, it is not a uniform density. So since density is varying everywhere, therefore if density is varying, means refractive index will vary. And if refractive index will vary, then refraction of light, that refraction angle will vary. So when sometimes the light will directly go without any refraction. Sometimes what will happen? The light will come like this. It will refract like this. Sometimes it is refracting small angle here, small angle here, small angle here, and small angle here. So what will happen? The apparent position of the star will change. Due to this, the apparent position of the star will change. So if the refracted ray is this, then position of star will be, apparent position of star will be somewhere here, apparent position of star somewhere here, here or here. So apparent position of the stars are changing. So sometimes star is appearing here, here, here or here. This is relatively very small distance. They are like almost at the same place. So due to this change in position, due to this amount of light entering our eye will flicker. So because of this change in apparent position, what will happen? The amount of light entering in our eyes will change, will flicker. Why? Sometimes it is entering our eyes and sometimes it is not entering our eyes. So when it is entering our eye, we will see a star as a bright star. And when some of the light is not entering our eye, we will see it as a dim star. So this is like a continuous process. Why continuous process? Because still density is varying every time. So this path will always changing, always be under change, right? So sometimes it is entering our eyes, sometimes it is not entering our eyes. So when maximum light is entering our eyes, then we will see star as the bright star. When minimum light is entering in our eye, then we will see it as a dim light. So this bright and dim, due to this process, we will see stars twinkling. Next we have is rainbow formation. It is caused due to the dispersion of sunlight by the tiny droplet of water in the presence of atmosphere. So in our atmosphere, there are so many, in the clouds, there are so many small water droplets, right? So that water droplet will act like a prism. If we have studied about prism, when a white light is passing through a prism, it will disperse into a spectrum of color, correct? So this water droplet is also acting like a prism. So when a sunlight, which is a white light, is entering in this droplet, it will split into the 7 colors or a spectrum of colors, and after that it will undergo a total internal reflection inside a droplet, and then it will go under the refraction again. Now see, all 7 colors are coming out of the droplet. These colors we see as our rainbow. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.